Ever pondered over how to install a C compiler on your Windows computer? To get started, visit the official MinGW website and locate the Downloads section. From here, you'll need to download the MinGW Installation Manager. Once downloaded, launch the installer. A window will pop up. Select Install and proceed. The installer will then fetch a catalog of packages. Locate Mingo32 Base and Mingo32 GCC GE++, mark them for installation. Afterward, navigate to the Installation tab and action Apply Changes. The packages will be installed, then you need to add MinGW to your path. For this, access Properties from Computer, then Advanced System Settings and Environment Variables. Add the path of your MinGW bin folder to Path. Finally, to verify the installation, type GCC version in a command prompt. If successful, it will display the GCC version.